पक्या बोल बोल बोल. अरे अगोदर नेचरचा कॉल घेऊ दे, नंतर तुझा घेतो. चल.
More than half the India's population does not have bathing or toilet facilities at home. They might have mobile phones according to the census released recently. The final figures of the first phase of Census 2011, known as House Listing and Housing Census, observed that 47% of households do not have latrine facility within premises, whereas accessibility to mobile or landline phones is as high as 63% in the country. Intrusion of telephones in urban areas has crossed 82%, and in rural areas it is even more than 54%. Whether the strained scenario is a result of proximity to economical communication system compared to the tedious way of building toilet facility, or negligence of basic facility by household over the preferred mobile service, fact and figures, though observed to be strange, the scenario is not good as far as public health conditions are concerned. The neglect of basic sanitary facilities in the country is lamentable and needs immediate attention.